Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add Ticketmaster tickets to Google Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add your Ticketmaster tickets to Google Wallet, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Google Wallet application and then be sure to be logged in. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is locate your ticket. To do it, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to view your passes and then tap on the event ticket to display it. Then what you need to do is present your phone at the venue's contactless entry point and ensure your device NFC is enabled and that the screen is on. You can also do it from the Ticketmaster's app as well by launching the app and then entering your credentials to access the Ticketmaster account. Then simply tap on My Tickets or My Events to view your upcoming events and choose the event for which you want to add the tickets. Then simply tap the Save to Google Wallet button. If you don't have the Google Wallet app installed, this will redirect you to the Google Play Store to download it. Once done, repeat steps 1 to 4 and the option to add the Google Wallet should appear. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.